Hello everyone, this is Meng. Today video I would like to show you how to remove background like this to like this with the color highlights around it. Okay, right now I'm on Canva, so we'll show you remove like this to like this step by step. Okay, let me delete all of this. And first of all, you need to upload your photo right here. So I have a lot of photo upload here, and here's my canvas, so I can just click and crop it like this. So in order to remove the background, you may need to have a pro account, so you can try it free for 1 month. Click link below. Okay, like this. So let me duplicate, just Ctrl C, Ctrl V, so I got another picture right here. Okay, another picture right here. So if you just right click, they have no option to remove, just replace background, so it is just hidden somewhere right here. So just click the picture and edit. So we got here, or here recent reuse, and here. So you need a pro account to do that. So let's see the magic happen. Just click and then J. Very clean, very nice. Okay, very nice. Just click apply, and then I need another background, for example white color around it, border. So we just scroll down and go to shadow, visual blur, but here not anything that we want. Just click here again to edit it. So we can choose any color, for example white color. So background white, and blur, let's turn off blur, and transparency you higher, and size you can adjust if you want. See, so like this, and you can just do a bit blur, it pop up like that. Okay, and then apply, and you can use arrow here. Just search arrow, and then it will come like that, and adjust the size and change the color. Okay, hope you learned something from this video. If you would like to learn more about Canva video, let me know in the comment. Okay, see you next time.